On August 12, 2026, millions of people will look up and watch daylight disappear. For a few extraordinary minutes, the moon will cover the sun and turn an ordinary afternoon into twilight.
The path of totality begins in far northern Russia, crosses Greenland and western Iceland, then reaches northern and eastern Spain and a tiny corner of Portugal.
Outside that narrow path, much of Europe, northwestern Africa, northern Canada, and parts of the northern United States will still see a partial eclipse. This is not only a science lesson. It is a moving shadow, a human journey, and one of the most beautiful light shows nature can create.
From space, the moon's umbra looks like a dark island racing across Earth. The broader penumbra creates a partial eclipse around it.
A total eclipse happens when the sun, moon, and Earth line up with extraordinary precision. The moon appears almost exactly the same size as the sun in our sky.
First, the moon takes a small bite from the sun. The bright circle becomes a crescent, but the world below still looks almost normal.
Then the light changes, shadows sharpen, colors cool. The air may feel different, and automatic streetlights can switch on as if evening has arrived.
People often expect sudden darkness. In reality, the change builds slowly, then becomes dramatic in the final moments before totality.
At the edge of totality, the last bright point of sunlight creates the diamond ring. Seconds later, the sun's bright surface disappears.
Now the corona appears, the sun's faint outer atmosphere, normally hidden by the bright solar disk. It can stretch across the sky like silver fire.
Stars and bright planets may become visible. The horizon can glow in every direction, while the landscape falls into deep blue twilight.
But the moment is brief. For most places in the path, totality lasts less than 2 minutes. Near the center, it remains under 2.5 minutes.
That short window explains why people travel thousands of miles, study weather forecasts, and wait for hours for a view that may last only seconds.
In Spain, totality arrives late in the evening, close to sunset. The low sun could create one of the most dramatic eclipse scenes ever photographed.
For mainland Europe, this is the first total solar eclipse since 1999. Nearly the whole continent will see at least a partial eclipse.
North America gets a smaller part of the event. New York sees about 9% coverage, Boston about 16%, and parts of Maine more than 20%.
Wherever you watch, safety comes first. During every partial phase, use proper eclipse glasses or a safe handheld solar viewer.
Ordinary sunglasses are not safe, no matter how dark they look. Safe viewers should meet the ISO 12312 international standard.
Cameras, binoculars, and telescopes need special solar filters on the front of the optics. Eclipse glasses alone do not protect you through a lens.
Only during the brief total phase, when the moon completely blocks the sun's bright face, can people inside the path look without eye protection.
Look up means raise your eyes. Millions of people will look up together.
Go dark means lose light. During totality, the sky will go dark in the middle of the day.
Block out means prevent light from passing. During totality, the moon will block out the sun.
Once in a lifetime describes a rare, unforgettable experience. And after the eclipse, the moonless night reaches the peak of the Perseid meteor shower. Which would you rather see, totality or a sky filled with meteors?